Welcome to the Wealth and Prosperity channel. Today, we will explore a powerful meditation to work on gratitude and open the doors to financial prosperity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Wealth and Prosperity. Begin by expressing gratitude. Feel the gratitude flowing through you. Be thankful for all the blessings in your life, big and small. Acknowledge that gratitude is the key to abundance. Feel gratitude for your health, for your family and friends, for all the experiences that have shaped who you are today. Now, direct your gratitude towards financial prosperity. Be thankful for all the opportunities on their way to you. Feel gratitude for all the riches flowing in your direction. Visualize yourself achieving your financial goals, living a life of abundance and prosperity. Feel the joy it brings. Know that money is just a tool to realize your dreams and do good in the world. Be grateful for having this tool at your disposal. While maintaining this feeling of gratitude and prosperity, take deep breaths. Feel as though you are attracting wealth and abundance into your life right at this moment. Prosperity is a state of mind and attitude. You deserve the wealth and abundance the universe has to offer. As this meditation comes to an end, remember to keep this sense of gratitude and prosperity in your heart throughout the day. Thank you for joining us in this daily meditation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our Wealth and Prosperity channel for more meditations and tips on attracting abundance into your life.